This is a... The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Scott County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elko New Market, or 13 miles northwest of Northfield, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Burnsville, Savage, Prior Lake, Elko New Market, and Credit River. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following county: Scott, Minnesota. The National Weather